okuchondoza okwakozerwa mu kyanga kya Kigezi hagati y'okwezi kw'okubanza na n'okwakana nukoreka ngu abahingi bingi ab'ebijuma n'emboga nibaferwa munonga ahabw'okukwata kuba ebihingwa byabo. Albert Changire orikureebuza emirimo omuri Teknosavu nagira ngu ekyanga kya Kigezi kirimu abahingi b'ebijuma abatarikumanya kukora ebishikire n'ahabw'ekyokubahwera kishikire.
Dona witu the embassy of the Kingdom of the Netherlands yatuweereza sente nka Teknosavu to make sure tukoragana n'abantu abari hanuya ku training abalimi in the correct farming practices.
Ivan Arnitwe omuhingi w'emboga okurwa mu kyaro kya Ehuruuru omuruka gwa Kakore omugombora yahamurwa nayoleka ngu n'obu yamara emyaka 4 omu murimo ogu akiine ebizibu bitari bimwe na bimwe ebirikwetenga okuhwerwaho.
Wahinga kabeegi zonka otushanga utarasa kuhinga wajya ngo uhinge nka eka nk'itano ushange nk'entambulira kuteganisa ubumwe nko mu bwire bw'ecyanda ushanga uretaga kufuira ushange management yarasa okurema.
Robert Sabiti ondijo omuhingi wa karoti okuraga Kaharo omuri Kabale nayoleka ngu obuzima biine ebizibu byingi ebirikwetenga okuhwerwaho.
Kokweri sizoni y'omushana nora ninkoresa kakafiri kaka akawo ninkoresa amaani mingi kandi nkora omurimo mukye n'akatare tukatungira akatare k'omurembe.
We have a problem of land shortage, but we are trying, and we want to thank you for supporting us in agriculture.
The roads, a linkage to the market. You can have all this, but I have got to link. We have got to have access to the market from your garden to the market. There must be proper infrastructure between there.
There is also a lot of effort that needs to be done actually in line with the business development services to these farmers and the interlinks for these markets.
Amakuru agagasha kwa Job Namanya.